Hey guys, I'm glad you want to do this beat with me right quick. I'm going to use this Tarte Shape Tape under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, blend it in and tap using tapping motions with my Morphe G2 brush. Then I'm going to do that on the other side. Then whatever the brush didn't get, I'll use my fingers to get in those hard to reach areas. Then I'm going to take this banana powder and I'm going to set where we just concealed with my Morphe G2 once again, down the sides of my nose, and then underneath where we're going to contour. It just gives a more defined look. I don't know why I'm talking so much in this video because I knew I was going to do voiceover. Anyways, we're going into the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. I feel like this is an oldie but goodie, and I felt like taking it out today. So I'm taking this soft blending brush and putting Summer Yum inside my crease, right above my crease. It's going to be my transition shade. Then I'm going in with this crease color. I can't remember what I used, but I'll put the name in the description box below. Right there. I think it was Summer. I don't remember what it was. I'll just put it down below. Don't worry. So we're going to just put that inside the crease, and it'll mesh beautifully with our transition shade that we used. So you guys are going to watch that. I'm just using this Amazon brush, cheap brush. And then I'm going in with my Luxie double-sided brush just to blend the two colors together. Once you lay that transition shade, it's going to make it blend seamlessly. Now I'm using that white peach color to go on top of my lids. This is really going to make the eye look pop, and it's definitely work appropriate. I'm going for some glam because I'm working an evening shift tonight, but I want to keep it also, you know, semi-like soft. Then I'm going in with that color Decadent inside the crease. I'm concentrating mostly on the outer V. And then I'm going to go into this purpley color. It's like a purpley brown, just right on top of where I laid that darker color, just to soften it up a bit. And then I'm going to take my Real Techniques brush and just blend that out a little bit so all the colors become one. Then I'm going to take off that bake that I put on before. I'm wiping it off with my favorite Morphe brushes. That's all I'm doing. Then I'm taking my Milk pencil from NYX and I'm just brightening up where I laid that white peach color so it just pops a little bit more. I want it a little bit more white. Then I'm just going to blend it out so that everything looks good. Then I'm going in with this small little Benefit Cosmetics brush and I'm putting in that warm toned eyeshadow in my contour line. Don't worry, we're going to blend it out and we're going to add a deeper color that's more cool toned with this Real Techniques brush. And just blend it up around the forehead line, back into the contour line. It's going to look beautiful. Okay. Then I'm going to spray with my Pixie spray so that nothing looks like powder. And then I'm going to go and take my my Real Techniques Beauty sponge and I'm going to tap where I put powder so there's no powder residue. I'm going to now put this Stila Smoldering Satin Glitter Eyeshadow right where the crease is, wherever I put that darker color, just to make it have a little extra glitz to it. And inside my tear ducts, don't worry, I'll take a brush and I'll soften out the glitter. And then that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just, you know, then I'm going in with MAC Vanilla Pigment, and I'm going to put that right on top of where I laid that glitter and also on my brow bone, really make the eye look pop. See, that's what I'm doing. Then I'm going to go back into that darker brown and put it on my lower lash line with my Morphe E36 brush. And I'm going to really buff it out. And then I'm going to put that warmer tone color underneath it. It's going to make it look dimensional. And that way the eyes will really look poppin'. All right, I'm doing that right here. Still doing that. Then I'm going to go into this sleek palette that I got at Walgreens for $15. Go in that yellow shade and use that as my favorite part, the highlighter on my Morphe highlighting brush. Putting it in a C around the upper high points of my cheek. But I felt like that wasn't enough and I wanted to make it more golden tone. So I'm going into this Laura Geller Gildan Honey. This is one of my favorite highlighters. If all else fails, I'll always top a highlighter off with this. Down the bridge of my nose. It really just looks absolutely amazing. I'm living for this highlight. Then just to calm it down and mix the shades together, I'm going to go in with this Real Techniques fan brush. Or Eco Tools fan brush. I'm sorry. Eco Tools. And just make sure it looks like it's, you know, in my skin. Then I'm going in with this L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Mascara. And then I'm going in with my favorite Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the color Voyager. I hope you guys love it. That's the finished look. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm slowly growing, so I hope you guys grow with me. I love you. See you in my next video. Peace.